In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header on your Wix website. Whether you're looking to freshen up your site's look or adjust navigation, this guide will walk you through each step intricately, ensuring clarity and ease of implementation. To begin, you need to access the Wix website editor. Open your browser and go to the Wix editor URL. Once there, make sure you're logged into your account and select the website you want to edit from your dashboard. After entering the editor, the next step is to click directly on the header. This action will open up a range of options you can adjust and customize. Think of the header as the top section of your website that generally contains your menu and logo. It's a crucial part of your site's identity and navigation, so let's explore how you can modify it to better suit your style and needs. Now that you've selected the header, you'll want to click on Manage Menu. This area lets you rearrange the items in your menu, rename them, or even add new ones if desired. You have the flexibility to organize the menu in a way that best represents your content hierarchy and improves the user experience for your visitors. Tinker around with the structure until it aligns with your vision. Next, head over to the Settings option. Here, you'll find a range of fundamental adjustments, like showing or hiding the header on different devices, which can be a handy feature if you want a different experience on mobile, tablet, or desktop. It's also possible to set your header to stay fixed at the top of the page as users scroll down, which is perfect for maintaining easy access to navigation links at all times. Following that, click on Layout. This section allows you to adjust the alignment, width, and position of elements within your header. Want to center your menu or have your logo sit to the left? The layout settings will accommodate these preferences. A well-crafted layout can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal and usability of your website. Now, let's explore the Design options. Here, you can infuse personality into your header by tweaking the colors, fonts, and styles. You can keep things consistent with your branding or take this opportunity to try something new. Designing your header thoughtfully is vital as it sets the tone for your entire site. Finally, select Animation and Effects. Adding some animation can make your website more dynamic and engaging. You can choose subtle animations for a professional feel or bolder effects for a more dramatic presentation. Remember, the key is to enhance user experience, so opt for animations that suit your brand's voice and identity. Once you've completed all these adjustments, don't forget to preview your site to see how everything looks together. If you're satisfied, click Publish and your new header will be live for the world to see. Congratulations! You've successfully edited the header on your Wix website.